It is important to help people understand the causes, effect, and action they should take. Today, I would like to pass a message to everyone and global friend. You and I can do a lot. It's simple to make a difference to keep the earth healthy. Everything starts with us. There are three main things that cause climate change. The first thing is burning of fossil fuel, and the second thing is farming, and the third thing is deforestation. In the U.S., transportation by car is hauled globally by climate change. By car release is a gas called carbon dioxide, or gas that is used in cars for cooking and for the production of electricity. Second thing is farming. If some animal farm, it releases a gas of greenhouse gas called methane from animal. That may not sound funny when one count as gas, but if over 1.5 billion cows born every day daily, it will gonna cause the earth to get the climate change. And deforestation causes climate change. It also releases CO2. CO2 means carbon dioxide. Okay, so
how does the carbon dioxide get released?
Carbon dioxide gets released when trees are cut down. We have to plant more trees to suck up all the carbon dioxide, one of the greenhouse gas. However, if the trees are cut down, the carbon dioxide builds up in our atmosphere, and then we're gonna get and the three greenhouse gases we're gonna make to get super hot. So therefore, you can help that by reducing climate change by some ways, like walking, biking, or using public transportation, and you should recycle at home, and then you have to use less stuff. And you have to grow a tree. Trees take in carbon dioxide, right? And do you know all of that? How to reduce the risk of global warming?
Now I know that, yes.
You also have to unplug the device when not in use. And you should eat local food, okay?
Yes.
And plant trees for the earth, for the carbon, to reduce the carbon dioxide from us.
Yes.
But climate change can also harm us too. Our food property and our crops, and our fruit and vegetable, including carrot, potato, and even watermelon. Okay?
Yeah.
So try to plant more plants is to give your home more oxygen, okay?
Yeah.
And also the earth. So, have you ever known about climate change?
Climate change, so such as like global warming.
Yeah. If you heard the word climate change, it refers to global warming. And how do you know about climate change?
Yes.
So there were three main causes of climate change. The first thing is burning of fossil fuels. The second thing is farming, and the third thing is deforestation.
Deforestation or
Deforestation.
Yes.
And the first thing is the burning of fossil fuel. Fossil fuel are natural fuels for that animal, and it can use for fuel. And the fuel was used by humans, so they were burnt. So it were also called fossil fuels.
So fossil fuel, what you use fossil fuel in daily life?
We use fossil fuel for refueling our cars, cooking, and making homes.
Making homes?
No. We use fuel in cars, buses, and even electricity.
Even to reproduce the electricity.
We
Okay.
use, if it releases a greenhouse gas called carbon dioxide.
Sure.
Right? And
the emission is
the
very
emission released from the cars, from tall pipes, from the factory, and the second thing to do, the main thing causing of climate change is farming.
farming.
The cow releases methane through a farm or bird,
Yes.
and that may sound funny when one cow burns, but over 1.5 billion cows and fart every day daily. It could cause to climate change. The last thing it is deforestation.
Yes.
And so deforestation is the cutting down tree. Wood is used for making paper, desk, homes, and other structures. If you heard the word climate change, it refers to global warming. And the temperatures are getting hotter. So in England, and they were hit by even larger storms. For example, in 2021, soccer FIFA World Cup is closed because of the severe storm called Storm Barra. Storm Barra is a cyclone that had a wind speed up to 81 miles per hour.
Really?
In Vietnam, and they affect the Mekong Delta, and which avoided to grow crops, fruit, and even vegetables. Did you know that?
No. Can you tell me more?
So, if I read the book, The Arctic Circle, when the ice sheet was melting, and the book said, SOS, save the polar bears!
Why should we say the polar bear?
Because of the meltage of ice. Due to the extreme heat, they were losing habitat and caused wildfires. So, let's say it is summer in Hanoi. We travel there and we feel hot because of the extreme heat on the road. It can and cook an egg. We can cook an egg on the road.
Really?
Yep.
It's too hot, right?
Yep. The hotter it gets, and the faster the egg was finished cooked.
So what should we do?
We should take action into climate change. For example, walking, cycling, or using public transportation instead of blasting and driving a car or motorbike. Right. So we should plant more trees, and as I look at our house garden, there were tons of plants. And as you look at the potato plant, it is funny. It is grow up and recycle and eat local food.
Okay.
So we should take action to keep our earth healthy. We should walk or use public transportation, or we can ride our bicycle. We have to eat locally grown food. To open the window instead of blasting air the AC on a hot summer day. Wash your clothes. We don't need to buy a clothes dryer machine. We should wash in cold water and hang them to dry. Let's say it is summer in Hanoi. We travel to there and we feel super hot because of the extreme heat. It can cook an egg in several minutes.
Okay. Really?
Yep, I didn't lie. I just saw this on news.
So, what we should do?
We should reduce, reuse, and recycle to keep our earth healthy. Like I have watched Mr. Beast's channel. Mr. Beast have hired lots of volunteers to clean up the beach and planted 20 million trees.
Oh, I see.
Yep. Yep. I saw this on TV.
Okay. What can we do at home?
We have planted more trees. It's because look at our garden. There were less trees to suck up the carbon dioxide. We should make recyclable from bottles, from water bottle, made of plastic with a lid and a small hole at the top. We can make a funnel out of it by cutting off, and we should be replaced by a small tube instead of buying a new funnel.
Okay. We can do it at the weekend.
Okay, let's do this.
Okay.
Okay, this is everyday action affect people, plants, and animals all over the world, including polar bears. I'm happy to be a part of the Climate Action Project, here to raise awareness about climate change and help the Earth. Together, let's do our best to keep Earth warm. Thank you and goodbye.